Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. You are welcome back to the Learn and Earn channel, where we show you amazing system and amazing opportunity on how you can make the market. I'm doing this video for the sake of this particular system called the Ninja Trend Indicator, and I'm going to be showing you how this indicator is being used. We are also doing this video purposely because of those that already have the indicators, for them to know how this indicator works and how they can best maximize this in the use of this indicator to get maximum profit. A lot of people buy our system or buy system and they will say that it's not profitable. I want you to listen carefully to this, what I'm about to show you in this video. Either you have this system or you don't have this system. I want you, because you are also going to gain a lot from what I'm about to show you. You are going to learn a little about how the market works and how you can maximize, how you can use indicators to also trade the market. And like I do tell you that if where your strength is in making use of indicators, then go ahead and make use of indicators, make use of a profitable indicators like this one. It is not everybody that can trade with SMC or that can trade with ICT concept of trading. So listen attentively and check out how to sieve out false signals from this indicator. So if you are looking this screen right now, you see that there is a signal. We share this very signal on V75 on our Telegram channel. We shared on our Telegram channel. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that right now. You can see we shared that that particular signal on our Telegram channel. You can see it over here. Before we took before we took profit, you can see this is the signal over here, and price has gone all the way down to this place. So that is it. Also, we have also done some other videos about this indicator, which you can find on our Telegram, on our YouTube channel. Here we have done like this video, for example. We have done some videos about it. You can check our channel to see other videos about other system that we are making use of. So back to this system, how do we use this system to be profitable? This system only focuses on buy. It only focuses on the buying of the market. We don't sell. If you can see very well, there is no sell signal on this indicator, and this indicator is 100% non-repenting. It is 100% non-repenting, but you need to know how to take profitable signals from this indicator. All right, it is an indicator that has been programmed to give an alert whenever there is a trend line breakout. Whenever there is a trend line breakout, just like what we have in V75 on the 1 hour time frame. You can use it on the 1 hour time frame. You can also use it on 15-minute time frame, whatever time frame that suits you, but you must follow some rules. You must follow some market rules. Like what we have right now, we took this signal because there was a trend line breakout and we have a signal, and of course we all know that there is liquidity is being rested here, and that is why price went down there before it started reversing. And if you look at it very well, this red line that you are seeing here is indicating, is telling you that price is about to reverse. Price is about to reverse. All this line that you are seeing here, they are telling you, these ones that you are seeing here, they are telling you where liquidity is in the market. Okay, now one of the best things how to use this indicator is this. Now price has gone up and is coming back down, and right now V75 is on an uptrend. Is on an uptrend because it has been in a downtrend for a very long time, and right now is on an uptrend. So one of the things we want to do, if we want to continue taking the uptrend, or if we are expecting any signal from this indicator, is to draw our Fibonacci like this. If you don't know how to use Fibonacci, we have done a video on that on our channel. You can also check it out. So we are waiting for price to come back to this 61.8, or to come back to this our OB region over here. Okay, and we get a signal like this, then we are going to continue to buy V75. If we don't get that, if price didn't come down here to the discount level of the Fibonacci, we are not going to take any signal at all from this system. Let's also look at other signals that we got. Let's see V10. We also got some signals. You can see this is V10. All right, if you look at V10, there are some signals that will trade. And don't forget, we are using this system. And also, if you think you don't have time to be doing this system can push notification to your phone. You can push notification to your Telegram, and you can push notification to your email. It has those special features like that you don't need to sit down with the chart. Okay, now you can see this signal here that we have a trend line breakout, and of course we are going to take this signal over here and we put our stop loss rightly below the last swing low of the market. So we put our stop loss there, and of course we are going to target where liquidity is rested on the trend line, which is this place, just like the case of V75. If you can remember, you see, like the case of V75, you see where we took the trade, and this is where the trend line started from, and we took profit here, and that's why you see price returning here. So the same thing is going on went on V10 the other time that we took trade on it, and you can see price hit this take profit. And we have another signal, very fine over here, and this signal we are going to take it because if you draw your Fibonacci, you will notice that this is the last swing low, and you will notice that price actually came back to the OB region, of our Fibonacci, and also the discount level of our Fibonacci before we have an alert over here, and you can see it's a buy. So that's the reason for taking that kind of a trade. And also over here we are expecting a signal, and of course that signal is going to be valid if we have a trend line breakout here, because it's going to be valid because if we measure our Fibonacci from here, you can see that price has entered price has gone through into the discount level of the Fibonacci. So anytime from here we have a rejection and we have a trend line breakout, then we can buy volatility 10. Also on V75 1X, we are expecting a signal over there. You can see the signal that was being taken over here. Okay, and you can see other signal that was being taken. We are expecting a signal, but we are still expecting price to pull down to this side, to this outside of the market before we consider a trend line breakout. So I'm going to show you something quickly right now. If you look at it very well, V75X has been on a downtrend, okay, for some time, and we don't just take trade on it. Let's look at it. V75X, you can see it has been on a downtrend. So what we have here is just a break of structure over here. We only have a break of structure over here, so we are expecting that price will come back into our premium level before we can consider taking a buy from that point. So this also, let's see, boom 1000. Also on boom 1000 we are expecting a signal, and this signal is going to be valid. Why? It's going to be valid because we already have a break of structure here. Okay, we already have a break of structure here, and we have this signal coming out here, which will be a false signal. Okay, every indicator has a false signal. You need to know how to sieve them out. Which will be a false signal, which we are not going to take. Okay, our price reverses where, if you check the Fibonacci level of this, you will notice price has come into our the discount area. Sorry, it has come into the discount area. So whenever we have an arrow here, or we have a trend line breakout here, definitely it's going to be a valid signal. And if it is a valid signal, we are going to be taking our profit. We are going to buy all the way down to where we have to where the trend line started from. So we are going to be taking our profit here, and we see price react from this angle. So this is how to use this indicator, guys. You have to make sure that any signal you are getting, it is coming out after we have experienced something like a trend line breakout, or you know that price is pushing from a discount level of the Fibonacci, just like what we have here. If you look at this, okay, if you look at this, price came back into the Fibonacci level, the discount area, and you can see we have a signal, and that is why this will be our take profit over here. And you can see we took profit nicely over here. And also you can see this, these are swing trades, guys. These are swing trades. If you see this also, okay, if you see this also, we have a trend line breakout. And of course, if you took this signal, you see that price still came back, okay, price still came back to test the Fibonacci, okay, before it started moving up. And where will be our take profit? Our take profit will be around this area. Our take profit will be around here, and of course our stop loss will just be below this last swing low of before the arrow comes out. So our take profit will be around here. So you can see the distance between the take profit and the stop loss. So this is how to use the system, guys. We'll be doing much video about this system so that you get more on how to use it. It can also be used on the 15-minute time frame, but what I'm showing you right now is on the 1 hour time frame, so that you get to know how it works properly. So if you want to do an intraday or you want to scalp, you can use it on the 15-minute time frame. But if you want to be a swing trader like myself, and just a medium day trader, you can also do that. Why we are having all this happening is because there have not been, from the 1 hour time frame, we don't have a breakout yet. So everything happening here is still on a sell trend. Okay, so basically this system, as like I told you, only focuses on buying. So if you think you can monitor chart like this, or you can't trade like this, or you can't do something like this, you can connect with our own account where we do copy trading. You can connect with our account where you copy our trades, because with this system we trade, and also people copy our trades. You can also copy our trades and you will be very, very profitable. We do talk about our copy trading on most of our videos on our channel, and also on our Telegram channel we talk about copy trading. Do well to join our Telegram channel. You can message us on our Telegram and make inquiry much about our system. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye for now.